Prezidente Republika Ramos Horta for Xamada ba Organizasaun Internasional ba Migrasaun atau Kontinua for Protesaun ba Trabalhador Timor Oan Neebe Rai Liur.
Declaração ne hatu husi sefi IOM iha Timor Leste ima Syarif ba jornalista bang hira ramata hasor malu Prezidente Republika Ramos Horta iha Palácio Presidente ba Europete Quintane. Chefe IOM ne hateten, Presidente ma convida nia mai halo encontro, hodi atualiza kona ba serviço Neebe mag IOM halo, liuli kona ba Protesaun Trabalhador Timor Oan iha Rai Liur, kona ba tráfico humano no crime transnacional.
Today, our meeting with His Excellency President Ramos Horta was about some requests from the President's office. As you may know, today was also the meeting of the Supreme Council of Defense and Security, in which they discussed the protection of Timorese migrants abroad, trafficking in persons, as well as smuggling of persons. So IOM, we work to ensure the protection of Timorese migrants abroad, as well as the protection of migrants here in Timor-Leste, and the President requested a meeting with us to be briefed on some of the technical work we are doing with the government.
Então, encontro de hoje, se pedido ao Sr. Presidente da República para marcá-lo encontro com o Excelência Presidente para a atualização com o serviço de bem que a IOM halo. Liur relaciona com a proteção dos trabalhadores Timor Oan e Rai Liur. Nós relaciona o tráfico humano, crimes transnacionais cerne. E corremos encontro no que o Presidente convoca relaciona com o Conselho de Segurança, Supremo de Segurança e Segurança e Defesa hoje que o Presidente halo Xamada para chefe IOM para mais de atualização para serviço de mesmo lá.
Mas não sama rasa dia Presidente. Sama relação com saya.
So the question is, what is the request of the meeting about? So I think you just explained it.
The request of the meeting was about IOM providing technical support to the government of Timor-Leste to ensure that we protect Timorese migrants abroad, that we work actively with the government, different government agencies, as well as partners here in Timor-Leste to protect migrants both in Timor-Leste as well as overseas. Timor-Leste sees a number of young people moving overseas irregularly to different countries. IOM we support in the protection of migrants overseas, and so we want to work more with the government to ensure protection mechanisms, implementation of standard operating procedures for victim referral, working with different government agencies on investigation of trafficking in persons, and helping police as well as other authorities to be able to identify criminal activities such as trafficking in persons and smuggling of persons. These were the instructions from the President's office, as well as the matters that were discussed by the Supreme Council of Defense and Security today, and IOM was pleased to provide guidance on some of the measures that we would advocate for the government to take up.
Niadehan Xamada ne relaciona ho continuação apoio IOM ba iha Protesaun, liu Trabalhador Timor Oan iha Inglaterra no Portugal. IOM mos continua halo advocacia ho governo no entidade relevante sira para continuar segura proteção lebediak. Ramos respeita proteção ba dados, mebe iha dados geral quase rihun atus ida 5 resing ida Timor Oan mak agora iha Rai Liur. No husi total ne número kik mak identificado sai vítima tráfico humano. Emerenciana Pinto, STL News.